How's that sock taste? What are you watching anyway? Word World or whatever? Oh.
Are you okay? Yeah. I'm okay.
Get your sock out of your mouth. Luckily it's clean. Where's your other one? Did you eat it already? Seriously, where's your other sock?
There's a piece of paper inside.
Are you gonna destroy the couch again? You already broke the chair. Well, actually, we all kind of broke the chair.
Yeah.
Yeah. How's that sock? Hmm? You fell on your butt. Yeah. Fell on your butt. Hey, what are you doing? Goodness, you're strange. I love it. Yep, you're strange. Nothing wrong with being strange. Ah, you pushed me over. You got me. Mm-hmm. What are you doing? You're throwing yourself. You think it's funny now? Or are you just doing it? Are you doing it because I'm laughing? What are you doing? Ow! Don't hit me. No, don't hurt my belly. That tickles. Face plant. You're gonna fall. I knew it.
How can we get a
I told you so. Hi. Hi. Ow. Hi. See you later. Butt. Ow. Dominic, are you a boy?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're a boy? Is mommy a girl? Yeah. Are you happy you're a boy? Are you... I know you're a happy boy, that's for sure. Did you get it all out of your system? No, not yet. Ow. Knees on hip bones don't feel good. Where are you going? Now you're upside down. No. Oh, you're upside... No, give me my camera back. Upside down, baby. Leave the camera alone. Leave the camera alone. Oh, now I get butt face. Careful. Alright, Dominic, say bye-bye. 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 Ciao. Alright, seriously though. Battery's dying. I gotta put the camera up. You don't want to say bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
And you found the next.
Say bye-bye. Hey.
What